So guys, first game in Airbus on Saturday, how are you feeling about it?
Yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, really looking forward to it. To be fair, it's been a long time for some of these lads here now who haven't played a competitive game in a while. So that competitive edge coming back here for a lot of them. We're all up for it. So as am I. So yeah, looking forward to it.
We had pre-season games Runcorn, and you got the winner on Saturday.
Yes.
How was it about scoring your first goal for the club?
Yeah, it's always good to get on the score sheet. To be fair, should have probably had one first half with a header well saved, but yeah, it's always nice. But it's all about winning games, getting into that habit of winning games, and making sure that's our mentality.
So we're playing Gilsfield, who've signed Greg Draper in the summer. Is that tough opposition? You had played against him in the Coffees. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, he's a top class player. Is Greg? Yeah, he's a good player. He's been there. He's done it for many years. So yeah, you got to give him that respect, and he's top quality. So we'll have our work cut out.
And you've been in the league before with Coffees a few years ago. What experiences from that you're going to be bringing to the season?
Yeah, it's a very tough league. It's a tough league to get out of. Very competitive. So a lot of good players. A lot of lads wanted to make that step up as well. Got points to prove, and I think that it's going to be by no means an easy season. Every game is a difficult game, and it's a difficult league to get out of. And and if we really work hard in every game that we've got, then hopefully the quality will shine through.